We need a bigger shed. About 6 months ago, I bought this Nissan Pulsar SST. It's a 1.8 litre turbo hatch. I bought it from the auctions for $850. I had no intention of buying this car. It was just that I was looking at the auctions. It came up, no one else was bidding. I bid on it, and here I am. Then a few months later, I started pulling it apart, and here we are. So I dragged it home and started pulling it apart because I haven't done something like this before. And you can see my Boxster down the end there. But I haven't really done anything project like this before. So I figured, why not, let's give it a go. So things that were wrong: bonnet was smashed, bumper was smashed, radiator, condenser, everything was caved in. So I've managed to somehow figure out how to pull it all out. And this is where I'm left. I'm up to the stage now. I've got new parts, new radiator, new condenser, and I bought a bunch of second-hand parts, and that's where the problem starts. So these are the parts: a new headlight, new fenders, new bonnet, everything I needed, new radiator supports, hoses, intakes. These are all the pieces I've pulled off. Again, I've never done this before, so this is all new for me. Now, I ran into a little problem because I was going to install this bottle. And as you can see, they are not quite the same. And this is where the problems begin. I'm not sure if you can see, but you can see there a 2015 Nissan Pulsar overflow bottle. Now, all the parts I bought here were Nissan Pulsar 2013 to 2015 model. And I'm not sure if you can see the support. It's slightly different. The same, but slightly different. And this is where the problems come, because in the 2013 model, has two options. There's a May 2013 to, I think it's 2017. All those parts fit the same cars. And then there's this model, which is April 2013. And April 2013 is the issue, because the only parts that fit the April 2013 is April 2013. None of the parts of the May 2013 fit this vehicle. And that's where I'm finding myself in a spot of bother. You can see now I've got the front bumper, all the parts. None of these parts match, unfortunately. I've pulled absolutely everything apart. I don't even know if I haven't undone the headlight yet. I don't even know if that headlight's going to fit here. I don't even know if it's worth it. So now the next mission arises that I need to find parts that are actually going to fit this car. So the next logical step is straight to eBay to find some parts for this thing. Now, again, the same problem. You do Nissan Pulsar 2013 C12 hatch, and all the parts that come up fit a 2013, but it's from May 2013. Excuse the kids are making a bunch of noise out there. So the further I look, if you can see here, bonnet hinge, C12 hatch, 0513. These don't fit the 0413. This is the problem I'm running into. So I found some different auto parts. I found a supplier here, NIS 4x4, which seem to have possibly some parts there. So I've still got some work to do to see if I can even get some parts for this thing. And I guess this is all part of doing a project car, because you never know about these issues until you get into it. It would make total sense that a 2013 would be the 2013. I didn't know there'd be two options of a 2013, unless you've done this before on this specific car, I guess, but never done it before. So here I am. So now we're going to push it back another month or so, and we're going to have to go hunting for some parts. And once we find those parts, we can then finally get back into it and start chipping away on this thing. And yes, we still have to work on the Porsche Boxster one day.